Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the camping lantern, totally rechargeable. 4,000 lumens is the rating. It's all LED, has a collapsible silicone top on there, which is really unique. You don't see that often. Has 4 light modes and a hanging hook we're going to show. Comes with this little hook right here and the USB-A to USB-C cable. Not only is this a extremely bright lantern, but it also has a port on there we're going to show. So it's a power port so that you could charge your mobile phones, anything that uses USB-A cable. You can use this cable, which is included, to charge any USB-C device, or use your own cable, USB-A to micro USB, and charge anything that uses that. So this is going to be excellent for emergencies, power outages. When I show you how bright this is, you're not going to believe it. I can't even demonstrate it in the studio. It's that bright. I have to show it in a very large room because it'll damage my camera. That's how bright this is. I've never seen a lantern this bright, and I've tested about 30 lanterns. So I do believe that 4,000 lumen, this is extremely bright, and it doesn't generate any heat either. So this uses this unique silicone telescopic design we're going to show. Allows you to open and expand it. So when it's compressed, it's 3 inches high, the height of it, by 6.2 inches wide. And when it is opened up, it goes 6.5 inches high by 6.22 inches wide. So this is fully rechargeable. You don't have to worry about batteries, saving the cost of batteries, and you can keep using it over and over again thousands of times. That's a pretty big battery, 6,000 milliamp hour. You can be able to run a lot of your products on this port, this power port, and this light should last a really long time. This is water resistant design, so that you can use it for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. And the hook on there will allow you to hang it from your tent, and only weighs 1.21 pounds, which is pretty light. So let's take a look at this. So the first thing I'm going to show you is it's got this really fluorescent looking green. I like that. And there is your USB-A port and your USB-C. The USB-C is for charging with this cable. And then on the other side is the light switch right there with all the different modes. You can see the LED right inside there. And here's this little pulling mechanism that you pull out, and it expands. You can do 1, 2 tiers, or all 3 of them just like that. It's really cool. It opens up to this huge light surface. And what this does is this diffuses the light really evenly, really nice. Then you just collapse this down, and it drops back down into place. And that way it becomes so thin for storage and bringing it somewhere. Now looking at the back of this, it has this nice hook on there. And then you could push this in like that. There's a spring on there so you can put things inside on your tent. And of course you can use this included piece to hang it like that also. That's nice. And then it collapses and just goes right out of the way. And then there's some extra silicone feet on there that keep this thing really stable. I push out, it doesn't even move. So that's really nice. And then charging it is really simple. You have the USB-A cable on here, and we're going to put it on a simple 1 amp charger, just like that. Then the other end goes right into the unit, just right there. And of course you can put it in any direction because it is USB-C. And then you have a little status indicator right there, and you see how it blinks. Now that blinks, and then when it's fully charged, it'll go solid. And it'll take about 2.5 hours if it's totally dead to recharge the internal 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's look at the operation of it. I'm going to have it pointing away from the camera because it's so bright. Here is that button that's fluorescent, also green, and you hit it once, and that's the full bright mode. It is extremely bright. You hit it again, and it goes 1 level dimmer in brightness. Again, it goes 1 level dimmer, and then here it goes to the dimmest and really warm light. And that is excellent for conserving energy if using it for camping, because that's all you really need to be in a camp, in a tent. That's all you really need. Then you hit it again, and it goes to off. It's just that simple. And the unit does come with an instruction sheet that shows you how to operate the unit, but it's really simple to do as I demonstrated. So let's take a look at the power port capability of this. I've got my own cable right here, and I'm going to plug in my USB cable right here, just like that. And then the other end, I'm going to put it on my mobile phone, my Nexus 6. Let's plug that in there. And I instantly get a little charging symbol right there. And it's letting me know that it is charging. And you notice you got a green light right there. That's telling me that I'm tapping energy off the power bank. Now you can charge anything with this. And here's an example. I can take this out and I could charge this LED work light just like that, and I get a charging indicator. So anything that uses USB-A, you can utilize that port in your own cable, or the one that comes with to charge USB-C, but you've got ability to access that 6400 milliamp hour battery, and that's a big battery. I'm going to demonstrate just how bright this camping lantern is. I'm in a room with a really tall ceiling, and I just have one small 7-watt LED lamp on, which I'm going to shut off. And I'm going to be in total darkness, and I'm going to turn this camping lantern on so you can see how bright it is. First I'm going to shut this light off. And there you go. It's so bright that I can't even look at it. Now, to give you an example, it's lighting up this whole room with a cathedral ceiling. It's like daylight in here. And that's from total darkness. That's how bright this is. I've never seen a camping lantern this bright. And of course you could turn it down, but I just wanted to demonstrate how incredibly bright this product is. So here I am in total darkness again. I want to show you that you could also compress the light like I showed, and then it becomes a spotlight where you can point it at whatever you're shooting or whatever you want to light up, and it becomes extremely bright spotlight. So what's my overall opinion about the camping lantern? Totally rechargeable, 4,000 lumen brightness, 6,000 milliamp hour power port on there. This thing is bright as I demonstrated. It's really high quality. It's unique. The collapsibility of this is really amazing. It seems durable. It's a little over a pound in weight. And that port on there is excellent for charging things while you're camping or anywhere in emergency. This is a great quality light. I was really impressed with it. I've never seen one this bright before, as I mentioned. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.